Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cars Mania. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan, a refined, reimagined SUV that brings German engineering, practicality, and modern flair into one compelling package. Whether you're a VW fan or just in the market for a versatile crossover, this one's definitely worth a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Tiguan has undergone a bold transformation. It features a sleeker, more aerodynamic design with sharper lines and a wider stance that gives it a more aggressive and premium look. The front grille is broader with an integrated light bar running across the width, flanked by matrix LED headlights that not only look futuristic but also offer better night visibility. VW's new logo is front and center, giving the car a cleaner, more modern identity. Around the back, the LED taillights and redesigned bumper add to the SUV's fresh, sporty appeal. Alloy wheels up to 20 inches are available, depending on the trim, giving the Tiguan a planted, confident road presence. Inside, the changes are even more dramatic. The cabin feels like a true step up in both luxury and technology. You're greeted with a curved 15-inch touchscreen in higher trims, running the latest MIB infotainment system. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and built-in navigation. The digital cockpit behind the steering wheel is crisp and customizable, giving you all the info you need right where you want it. Materials throughout the cabin feel upscale, with soft touch surfaces, optional ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof that adds an airy vibe. Rear legroom has improved slightly, and the cargo area remains one of the most spacious in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Tiguan offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 265 horsepower, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system for better fuel efficiency and smoother stop-start transitions. It's mated to a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission and comes with optional 4-motion all-wheel drive, giving you confidence in various driving conditions. The ride is smooth, responsive, and refined, especially with the adaptive damping system in higher trims. Pricing starts around $31,000 for the base model and can climb to $41,000 for the fully loaded R-Line trim. Overall, the 2025 Tiguan is a strong contender in the compact SUV market, stylish, smart, and ready for whatever you throw at it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel by hitting the bell icon for more reviews.